it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Moai's tomb. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So, the main goal of this puzzle is to remove this Easter Island head from this frame. This is a burr puzzle. These 4 pieces move, and so does the Easter Island head on his stand. So, to begin with, we will push that one in, lift him up. We can see Moai's tomb, and we have free me on both sides. So, we'll push in the other one and move him sideways. This one dropped down, and we will just lift it up from this position. Now, we will push this forward, and this one comes forward with it. We will also move that forward and move him to center. From here, we will lift him up. We can see the bottom of his stand, but we will lower him so till this piece drops in, like so. Then we will lift him up, and it will drop all the way. So from here we can see it's like so, and we can just lift him out. So he's kind of got a little body underneath, kind of a burr body. Looks like they made a partition, so it kind of looks like legs. Kind of funny. So to put it back together, we slide it back in the hole that we created. Move it to the side and move that piece in. Drop him down, and this comes into position. From here, we want that in all the way as well. Down and over. We want this pushed in. Actually, we can have this one. No, we want this pushed in. This will drop down, and it can move forward. We will let those 2 drop. Move it to center. Push this one in, and it will drop down. And it's back to the beginning. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.